Hey friends, ready to jam this holiday season? I've got an awesome gift for you, my brand new ebook pack with 32 Christmas tunes. From classics like Jingle Bells, Silent Night and Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer to modern favorites like Last Christmas, All I Want for Christmas Is You, and Underneath the Tree, you will find something to love. Now, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned player, these iconic songs will get you in the holiday spirit. And plus, the chord charts and playing patterns in the ebook will make learning easy peasy, and you will be playing like a pro in no time. So grab the ebook now link below and start playing instantly. But here's the best part. From now till Christmas, I'll be dropping video tutorials for every single song on my channel. Need help or inspiration? You are gonna check them out. So you are not alone this holiday season because you are going to join our piano party and let's make music together. Share your holiday performance and feel free to tag me. So let's spread the joy and make this holiday season one to remember. So remember to click the link below to get your ebook and start jamming together with me today.